Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Divya and in today's video I'm going to share a very quick and easy recipe which is not exactly a recipe but it is making of a Oreo cake. It's too easy and it is loved by children and you can make this very quickly, like within the cooking process will only take time, which will be like 20 to 30 minutes. Apart from that, there are basic ingredients which is always available at our home, so it's very easy to make. And please be tuned till the end of this video, because at the end I'm going to share a tip with you all. So keep watching and let's go. So starting with the process, we need Oreo biscuits. Like I didn't got a big packet, so I got 4 small packets. Each packet costs 10 rupees. So I'll start putting it in the grinder and I'll see if like I'm going to use all the 4 of them or 2 or 3 would be enough. So let's start. So I have used 2 packets. I think this is enough for me, and like the grinder should be dried enough to do, because we need to make a powder. So my grinder was dried and I have used 2 packets and 2 I have left to make it some other day. So let's go and grind it and see how much cake we can make out of this, because I have never made Oreo cake before. So let's get started. So we have to make a fine powder out of this. I have made the powder and I think it is very less. So I'm going to add these 2 packets as well and then grind it again. So I have added 1 more packet in this, and this I have kept because I like this, so I'll eat it. So I'll just grind this one and be back. So here we have the powder, you can see. And now we'll take this powder in a bowl and we'll add the other 2 ingredients which are required to make a batter, a thick batter out of it. So I have this pot with me. In this pot I'll add this powder. After adding this powder in the pot, I'll add a part of baking soda in it. Just 2 to 3 pinches. That's enough. And now I'll start pouring milk, as some part was sticking in this pot, so I added milk here. And we'll add milk and start mixing the batter. Keep on adding milk slowly and keep on mixing it to make a thick batter. I will show you when it's thick. And see the consistency of this batter. I used less than a half cup or a half cup of milk to make this batter of 3 10 rupees Oreo packets and 2 to 3 pinches of baking soda. So this batter is made. Now we'll pour it in a bowl and let's see how to cook it. It's not like you can directly place this on the heat. It's not like that. You need to do it with some process. So I'll show you the process next. The gas and add a tawa on the stove, and then on this we'll add a pressure cooker. On this we'll keep the pressure cooker on this tawa. Keep it like now. You can keep it high since there was some water, so it will go away. And now I'm keeping this pressure cooker on this tawa, and on this pressure cooker we will add the lid without the whistle. We'll close it and let it preheat for 5 to 10 minutes, and then we'll add a batter in a pot and keep that we'll add that batter in a bowl and we'll keep that bowl inside the pressure cooker. So I'll show you that. Now the pressure cooker is empty. Okay. Need to take a dry bowl and add the batter in this. First we'll grease the bowl. I'm using ghee to grease this bowl. just like grease it like this. You can use a greasing brush. I don't have that, so I'm doing it with my hands. Once the bowl is nicely greased, we'll add this batter in the bowl. Since now the batter is added in this bowl, so we'll keep this bowl inside the pressure cooker. You can see this pressure cooker was preheated. I have kept the bowl with full of that Oreo batter in the pressure cooker, and now I'll switch on the gas and I'll put the lid, and then we'll wait for 20 minutes to let it cook, and then let's see. The gas should be on low flame, and you can see whistle is not there. This is the pressure cooker, tawa, and the gas on low flame. So let's wait for 20 minutes and let's see what the result comes. Guys, I have just opened this like after 12 minutes. Yes, after 12 minutes, and I can see it has puffed up, it has become fluffy. So to check if it is completely cooked or not, we'll use a spoon here. Invert the spoon, like you will use this end of the spoon. We'll poke it inside the cake and check if it is cooked or not. No, it is not cooked from inside, you can see. So we'll just keep it and let it cook for another 10 minutes now. So it has been 20 minutes. So now I'll open it and check if it is completely cooked or not. So you can see it has become fluffy, and I'll just insert the spoon and check it. So you can see there's no strain on the spoon. That means it has been cooked completely. I'll switch off the gas and let it cool down, and I'll show you the last image. So you can see the cake is ready entirely, and it has like puffed up. It's looking very nice, and let's see how it tastes while I eat it. I'll share that. I have added some chocolate sauce at the top. That is optional, and this is the cake. I'm here to share the tip with you all. The tip is that you can make this Oreo cake with any other biscuit. Not only Oreo, you can use any other biscuit to make this type of cake. The two other ingredients will be constant, and you can change the the batter. You can crush some other biscuits as well. Often like there are biscuits which are like Nutri biscuits, and some biscuits which are not liked by kids, but they are good source of protein. So you can use those biscuits to make this cake, and those biscuits are not that sweet. That is the reason kids don't like that. So you can use jaggery with this batter as well. According to your requirement, you can add jaggery, milk, and the baking soda with the batter. With whichever biscuit you feel like, you can make this cake, or whichever biscuit is available at this moment, because it's lockdown time. So you can use any biscuit and make this cake. Try this and share your experience with me. I'm waiting for your comments below. Thank you for watching.